Hi there, welcome. Would you like a little dog pen to put on your backpack? Yes, please. Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you very much. Is that 23? Amy. Alright, here's our fantasy. Absolutely, yeah. One on the left, one on the right. This is it? Go right ahead. On our way. We had plans on. Sheesh. Yeah, this is 17. Read it. May continue to use mobile devices as long as they are set to airplane mode. Federal regulations prohibit use of your network during flight. Use of Wi-Fi to make voice or video calls is not allowed. We are now almost ready to go, so please take your seat, fasten your seatbelt, and sew your tray table and carrying items. Ensure iron armrest in the resting position. Flight attendants, armed doors for departure, cross-check and all call.
Afternoon, everyone. Welcome aboard Delta Airlines 1353 service to Atlanta. Expect this to be minutes, 1 hour and 19 minutes of flying time once airborne. Might see a couple bumps throughout the flight, but should be fairly smooth. Current weather in Atlanta right now is quite nice. Partly cloudy skies, light winds, current temperature of 64 degrees. Do appreciate flying with Delta Airlines, and we'll get away shortly.
Flight. Our crew of 4 Atlanta-based flight attendants are excited to take care today. We extend a special welcome to our Sky Miles and Medallion members. We appreciate you getting to trust us with your travels. Before you depart, please direct your attention to the flight attendants in the aisle for a brief safety presentation of the safety features for our Boeing 737 aircraft.
Your seatbelt must be securely fastened at this time. To fasten, insert the metal tip into the buckle. Tied by pulling on the strap so it is low and tight across your lap. To release the belt, lift the top of the buckle. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened whenever the seatbelt sign is on. Even if the sign is off, keep your seatbelt fastened in case we experience unexpected rough air. Federal regulations require all passengers to comply with crew instructions, posted placards, and lighted information signs. Smoking, vaping, the use of e-cigarettes or any smokeless product, including chewing tobacco, is not allowed on any Delta flight. Federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying restroom smoke detectors. This aircraft has 2 forward doors, 1 on each side, 4 window exits over the wings, 2 doors behind the wings, 1 on each side, and 2 doors in the back, 1 on each side. The forward and the mid-cabin doors have detachable slides that can be used for flotation. Escape ropes are attached to the aft window exit frames for use in a water evacuation. All exits are clearly marked with exit signs and instructions for operation. In an emergency, lights will illuminate the aisle to guide you to an exit. Please locate the exits nearest you and keep in mind they may be behind you. In the event of an evacuation, leave all carry-on items behind. It's unlikely, but if cabin pressure changes, the panels inside the lavatories and above your seat will open, revealing oxygen masks. If this happens, reach up and pull a mask toward you until the tube is fully extended. If you're wearing a mask or face covering, remove it before placing the oxygen mask over your nose and mouth. Slip the elastic strap over your head and adjust the mask if necessary. Breathe normally and note that oxygen is flowing even if the bag does not inflate. Secure your own mask before helping others. If needed, life vests are located under or between your seats. To use, remove the vest from its container by pulling on the tab and then open the pouch. Pull the vest over your head. Fasten the strap to the front of the vest and pull on the strap to adjust the vest securely around your waist. After exiting the aircraft, inflate the vest by pulling down on the red tab at the bottom of the vest, or manually inflate by blowing into the tube at shoulder level. A water-activated light is attached to each vest. Refer to the safety information card for instructions on how to use life vests for children who weigh less than 35 pounds. If necessary, we'll distribute life vests for in-lab children. Before we take off, be sure seat backs are upright, tray tables and carry-on items are stowed, and aisle armrests are in the resting position, and your headrests are lowered. Then take a moment to review the safety information card in your seat pocket. As we complete our final safety checks, let us know if you have any questions. We're going to do everything we can to ensure you have a safe and relaxing flight to Atlanta this evening.
ahead and pick up all checked luggage at baggage claim number 4. You may receive an email asking you to share feedback. We do value your feedback and your responses to improve your future travel experiences. On behalf of this Atlanta-based business, thank you for choosing Delta for sales. Flight attendants, it is armed doors for arrival. Cross-check at all costs.
Thank you. Have a good night. You as well. Have a great day. Thank you.
See ya. Have a good night.
The heck was that? Something else on my phone, so.
Leave the 18. Just like DL 70.
Yeah, that's us. So I know, right?